For those that don't know, North Carolina is the fourth largest grower of cotton in the U.S. But unfortunately, like we've done with a lot of things in our food system and our manufacturing, we've outsourced it. So we take this great product that they grow here, and most of it's exported, that ends up being that pair of socks or underwear that you buy, 6 months, 9 months down at Target. And through the way, that's displaced a lot of jobs here in North Carolina. And I think one thing we learned as we're trying to rebuild our economy, this is the resource that we have here in North Carolina, and we need to reconnect to it.
So when I hear the terms, I tell people the history of CS Designs. People ask us when we started doing this, and I think back of some of the words we use: ecology and environment and organic and sustainable and local. But the word I hear more now that I like the best is called community, and that's building community. And if you think in terms of building your own community, that answers a lot of the problems that we've addressed by just exporting maybe our jobs, but also our pollution and all the negative things that we create either environmentally or socially. Stop when you keep it locally, because it's not someone else somewhere else, it's just us.
But I want to share a quick story, and it happened last week when Tom and I were traveling. We're involved with a lot of other organizations. One of them is Carolina Farm Stewardship Association, great organization. They got the big annual conference coming. I know Buck goes that in December. But when we announced this tour for the second year, we got some negative feedback because the cotton that we're producing with shirt is conventional cotton. So the organic folks came at us pretty hard and said, how can we be supporting, a non-organic product? We make an organic cotton t-shirt, and it's still probably what we do the most of. That organic cotton yarn comes from Pakistan this year. 100% of it's from Pakistan. We run a business based on a triple bottom line. Environment's important to us. The planet's important to us. People are also important to us. Our t-shirts impact 700 jobs in North Carolina. So yeah, we can go get an organic cotton t-shirt and bring it in from Pakistan, India, China, whatever, but we feel like that's missing part. It's the people, as Tom said, it's the community. So the path that we're on and the challenge that we got are difficult. There's not a right way to go, but we have to move forward. I think we have learned in the last 30 years that what we've been doing is definitely not going to continue for the next 30 years. It's going to be messy, it's going to be ugly, but what I told one of the ladies, she was just beating the hell out of us. I said, but the good thing about this, and I told her I thanked her for her comments, but at least with our business we're able to have the conversation, because most times we operate in a transparent environment. We're going to tell you what it is right up front. It is conventional cotton. We said it from the beginning. That's what it is. We support it. We're proud of it.